Law firm marketing. The secrets of the trade that you need to know if you want to separate yourself from competitors and others in your field of expertise. I've spent countless hours analyzing the top performing lawyers and dissecting the latest trends in the digital landscape. So what are their secrets? Having a solid brand and marketing strategy isn't just an option in 2024. It's the key to staying ahead. So you don't want to miss the strategies that I'm going to outline here today. So stick around and watch the entire video because I'm going to share how you can acquire more cases, consultations, and clients. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video.
So first of all, who is this marketing plan for? This is for people who want long-term results for their business or their firm and have a long-term mindset when it comes into putting in the reps and investing into their plan. They want to create a system to get more business and don't want to work obscene hours, because when you have a marketing plan that's automated, you can get leads, consultations, and convert them into cases and clients on autopilot without having to invest tons of hours into it. You're a high achiever that wants to dominate your market, your area of expertise, or your niche. So what do the experts say? I did tons of research, and these are the best marketing plans on the internet according to Gary Vee, Sam Mulally, and other top marketing firms on Google and on YouTube, and other top marketing firms on the internet. When you have a strong brand, you can charge more for your services. You can hire A players because people are going to see your content, resonate with what you say, your services, your brand values. You're going to be able to create that know, like, and trust factor. And also, you don't have to even create the videos yourself. You can outsource them to someone else on your team, or maybe someone who's more adept and, a younger person in your firm maybe. So what are the best practices in terms of marketing and creating a strategic plan? You have to create a goal for it. Is this solely for brand awareness, or do you want to actually get a return on investment on what you're doing? A lot of times we see companies, post on social media and post online, and I guess they're just doing it to stay top of mind, but they don't really have a strategic plan to do it. And something is better than nothing, but you do want to have some type of plan behind it so you can know where you're trying to go. It's like shooting at a target and you can't see, there's a bunch of fog or it's cloudy. You're kind of shooting into nowhere. So you can do this by calculating your potential return on investment, how much time this is taking you to do each aspect, whether it's ads, content, creating posts, what's the opportunity cost and the time invested into this. So with social media, this is more so short form content on Instagram. The investment, I would say, is about a 4 because it's a lower barrier of entry. So it's really easy to make this content. You can just pick up your phone camera, make a quick 15 to 30 second video, maybe do a reaction to an article, or talk about any topic you like, make a funny video. And this is better to get people in your funnel. So it's top of funnel because these are for people that aren't aware of you already. And then you can move them down into the middle of your funnel. So over time, these people will see your videos over and over again and learn more about you, your services, your company values, and create that know, like, and trust factor. But I would say it's not really the best for conversion, which is bottom of funnel, getting people onto consultations and clients, because people can't really see a lot about you in a quick 15 to 30 second video. So I would say long-form content is better for this. It is good for a long-term strategy because you can get people in your sphere and you can keep them there, get them engaged, and keep thinking about you, remembering your brand. So next is Google Ads. This requires more of an investment. It's about $1,000 to get your ad spend into a client, so to get the conversion. So if you're getting about 4 leads from a local service ad, it's going to be like a 25% conversion. You're going to need to spend probably $1,000 to get a sale from Google Ads. And the caveat to this, though, is it's not really great for a long-term approach because you're not really going to keep people in your sphere unless you have some type of back-end system like an email marketing follow-up campaign. Or if you want to get them to your funnel or like your landing page, website, you can keep them there for the long term if you have some new content. But as soon as you turn off your ads, you're going to stop getting leads from this approach. So it's not really great for long term. But if you want some quick leads, like in the first 1 to 3 months, you can get a lot of leads from Google Ads or LSA, local service ads. Google SEO is a lot of an investment, but more so on the time side, unless you want to outsource this to a marketing agency. SEO is a little bit harder to get done on your own because it's very technical. You need to know the back-end details of setting up website and everything. But if you're a good writer and you can create articles, then it might be a good approach for you. And this is better for a long-term approach, again, because it takes a long time to get your articles ranked on the top of Google. Articles that are on the second or third pages don't really get viewed, so it's a little harder to convert these people unless you've been doing this for a while. It takes around 3 to 6 months for you to see results, and then 6 months to a year for you to get onto the first page if you do everything right. So that's something to keep in mind. Facebook ads. So Facebook ads aren't high intent like Google ads. So you can get results with about $600 in ad spend, but it's a little harder to convert because these people aren't actively looking for your services. So for example, for Google, someone might get into a car accident, God forbid, and say personal injury lawyer in Sacramento, California. If you're the first person that's there up top, maybe you have a good reputation, good brand, good Google reviews, so you might be one of the first people for that keyword, then people are going to immediately want to book with you, and most of the time they're going to go with the first option. But on Facebook, these are posts that are going to show up in your feed, so it's good for a long-term approach because those likes and those views might convert into followers for your brand. But in the short term, it might be hard to convert these people because they're not actually looking for these type of services, so that's something to keep in mind. And my favorite, I might be a little biased, but it's YouTube and having a personal brand. This is a little easier to get started, not as easy as short form content, because all you need to do is pick up your phone, record videos, and you can use the mic and the camera on your phone. But it's a little harder to create longer videos because you need to know what you're saying, you need a script, you need to know how to speak to the camera confidently. And that is a little bit of a learning curve, but you can also delegate this to someone on your team. And for a long-term approach, it's really good because you can create evergreen content similar to Google SEO, but I think it might be better than Google because YouTube videos can appear on a YouTube search and a Google search. So that's something to keep in mind. So you want to create high converting video topics that are very relevant and low competition. And I can talk about this more in a separate video, but basically, let's say you're someone who helps people move to America, you're an immigration attorney. For example, a video can be how to prepare yourself for an interview in an immigration interview to come to America. This is something that's always going to be relevant. So let's say 2-3 years down the line, people can still come in from this video and convert into a consultation or a lead and find out more about your services. So that's the power of creating a brand and content, is the evergreen aspect of it. You can create videos that are always going to be relevant and you're always going to reap the rewards of. So what can you do today? So if you're looking to create content, here's a game plan that you can implement today. So post 3 to 5 times a week. Let's say you have a 10 to 15 minute video that you create on your phone. You can use tools like Opus Clip and Submagic, which will cut up the videos, add subtitles, and even add B-roll for free. Or not for free, but add B-roll and everything in seconds. So you can create all those videos without putting a lot of time into editing them. You can create 1 to 2 long-form videos a week, and you can use tools like what I have here. This is vidIQ, and it'll create video titles for you, so you don't have to think about all of the topics. Or you can also use ChatGPT to come up with topics for you as well. On top of that, you want to use AI tools in general to streamline the content creation process. So with the tool like vidIQ, you can create titles, you can generate ideas, you can generate keywords to put in the description to get your videos to rank, and you can also create scripts for the videos to make it a lot better. The scripts aren't the best. You want to still put in your wording because obviously you're going to have more expertise than maybe an AI service, and you want it to be in your language, but that's something to keep in mind. And as long as you put in the right actions, week after week, month after month, you can see results in as quick as a couple videos. I always say it takes around 3 to 6 months to see results like any other marketing channel. Nothing is really instant. And if you want to create something that's going to last for the long term and allow you to reap the rewards, you want to keep putting in the actions. So that's everything for today. If you have any other questions about how you could implement some of the things I stated, book in a call with me and we can speak further about how you can create a long-term sustainable plan for your business or law firm. And that's everything. Thank you for watching the video and have a good rest of your day.